Yo, traders, so excited to have you guys here right now. I'm super excited, guys, really excited. And then, still in the spirit of the new year, I want to say a very big welcome to you guys into the year 2025. Now, as we know, for the year 2025, this is a year of growth, a year of value, and a year of massive cash out. Guys, say that with me, massive cash out. If you believe that, say a loud amen. Amen. Okay, guys. That's just to get us excited. Okay, so guys, this year 2025, there's a whole lot going on. A lot going on. We need to do a lot. We need to step up. We need to, achieve a lot of goals for ourselves this year. I have personal goals for the year. I have community goals. I have a lot of goals that have been mapped out. And one of these goals is to consistently dish out value, like value to you guys. And the reason for this is so that every one of us who are connected to this channel would grow in the year 2025. Those who are finding it difficult to stay consistently profitable would grow even in the year 25. You understand? So guys, we are set. Today I'm going to be doing the part 3. Okay, I'm going to be doing the part 3 of the best trade setup for the year 2024. Guys, stick with me. You want to stick with me on this, guys. It is really going to be amazing. Part 3 of the best trade setup for the year 2025. So as you know how we do it, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, so that when amazing trade opportunities are being dropped, you don't miss out, on them. When I also make analysis on what we should be expecting in the market, you don't also miss out for them. But for this particular series, I'm focusing on showing you best trade setups, and also I'm going to be also doing worst trade setups for the year 2024. And the reason for that, just like I have always said, is that when you have a clearer view of what you should be looking for, and also a clear view of what you should be avoiding, then the year 2025 is really going to be amazing. Why? Because you will have an edge in the market. So guys, let's hop onto my channel on Discord. Like you guys already know, for those who are have been with us, who have followed up on some of the videos we've uploaded already this year, you know that we have a community on Discord where we dish out amazing trading opportunities for traders to benefit from. We also drop educational contents in there so that you can be able to scale your trading, even in the year 2025. So guys, let's hop onto that community and let me show you one of the amazing trades we were able to catch in the year 2024. So let's go, guys. This particular trade was called on, if I'm not mistaken, this was, okay, so you can see that last setup for the day. This was on Wednesday, November 20th, 2024. November 20th, 2024. And you could see I haven't had to say the inconsistency in price is crazy. But then we're going to sell S&P 500 now and set our stop loss at this level, and you can see it was all that. So this was the setup. So this was me coming back and telling them, like a rocket, we are in a massive profit already. Watch your trade and enjoy your profits. So for those who feel that we are just capping, we are not doing the real thing here, this is an MT5 entry live execution of the trade. Even though I kind of executed a bit late on this trade opportunity, there's a live execution of the trade. And then this is the final results on that particular trade, guys. This is the final results on that particular trade, as you can see on your screen. So let this load up. Okay, guys, so see this out. So this is the final results on that trade, as you can see right now on your screen. So guys, let's go on the chart and let me demystify this giant that is before us and show you guys how we were able to position ourselves for this kind of amazing opportunity And I would like to say this is also a counter trade. Okay, for those of you who have watched this series, you joined in this series where I talked about best trade setups for the year 2024. You discover that to an extent I have been trading. I took counter trades, and I don't know why counter trades just happens to fall into my best trade setups for for the year 2024. But then let's just go on the chart and let's know why that trade setup was really an amazing one, guys. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys, so um we are here right now on the chart, and as you can see carefully, this look at this here. You can see carefully that this is Wednesday the 20th of November 2024. So I'm definitely going to be bringing out my replay tool so that I can have all these other parts that we don't need out of the chart, so we analyze the chart properly. Okay, so let's go on. This is going to be beautiful, trust me. This is going to be very, very, very beautiful. Okay, so we are in the day before that day, so let's do something carefully. As one who is very, very conversant with the charts, guys, tell me the truth. Where is the market going to go to right now? Looking at this, what do you see? What do you see? Guys, trust me, I see an uptrend happening all the way from here up, down. Market rallied up, came down, and I see the markets putting another high here. All I'm expecting is for the markets to run into an area of imbalance like it has done. Not just running into an area of imbalance, but running, below the 50% of this range, okay, which is running into the discount area, so that we can begin to look for good buy opportunities. Okay, so we want to be running into the discount area. So quickly, I'll just pull up my Fibonacci and let's measure where the 50% is, so that we know where our discount areas are. Our discount area is rather, and our premium area is. Okay, so looking at this, we've been able to identify this level as 50%, and anything below this 50% is definitely going to be a discount area, and anything above the 50% is definitely going to be what? Let's say that's a premium area. So in the premium area, we want to be looking for shorts. Okay, we want to be looking for shorts, and then in the discount area, we want to be looking for waiting for buys. Okay, for my Nigerian guys and my other African guys. So I'll just bring out these two. Guys, you see how I'm keeping it simple. I don't know how to stress myself for this trading thing. I don't know how some mentors do these things where they make this thing look so complicated. Trust me, I don't have that strength. You understand? Okay, so I don't have that strength to make trading so complicated. I don't know why people even derive joy in doing that in the first place. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying trading is easy, simple, anybody can just jump on it and all that. No, that's not what I'm saying. All I'm just saying is that I don't see any reason why we should make it more complex than it is already. Always keep it simple, and trust me, you will be successful as a trader. Okay, guys, so let's get this one out of here. We've been able to use it to do what we want to do. Okay, sorry, this is quite slow today. Okay, thank you. So now we've been able to identify that presently price is in the premium area, so we should be looking for shorts. Okay, so guys, I just want us to go quickly to the 1 hour time frame, where I begin to frame my daily expectation from the charts. Okay, right now we are on the 1 hour time frame, and if you look carefully, guys, be very observant. Be very observant. I want you guys to be very, very observant right now. You would notice something. You will notice that we have this swing low here, we have this swing low here. You could see the market form a low, form a high around here, from another low, another high, and then the market failed to put a new high. Okay, it did very little, and then price ran all the way to this downside, clearing out all this liquidity that rested here, liquidity that rested here, and liquidity that rested here. Okay, so price cleared this liquidity with this move right here, and you could see price rallying all the way to the upside. Okay, very, very, very clear. You don't need anybody preaching so much to you with what has happened here. So you know carefully that as a trader, this is going to be a very significant area. Okay, look at this area here. This is going to be a very, very significant area, meaning that price would run into this area. Guys, I don't need anybody telling me any other thing. I know that price is definitely going to run into this area, and run into this area to do what? Price is going to run into this area here, this area of inefficiency here. Price is going to run into this area of inefficiency to begin to buy. So just like I said, I look for a counter trade that jumps into this place. Why? Because right now we are on a buy swing. Now we are going buys. Why? Because price has tapped in the 50%, and then we are on a buy move. So all I'm looking for is watching for when this chart is going to drop into this point, and once it drops into this point, guys, I take it up. Like, I take it up if price goes there. But then majorly I'm not looking for the drop. All I'm not looking for the buys. I'm looking at the drop as a day trader. Okay, I'm a day trader, so I'm looking for that drop in here, and then I'll position myself to look for the buys when I come on the chart, probably the next day or some other day when the opportunity clicks. But for right now, we are seeing sell opportunities. Okay, for right now we are seeing sell opportunities. So as you can see carefully, this is right now I can't be trading at this time of the day. Okay, so I'm definitely going to be waiting for London opening. So let's play this until that time. Okay, voila, I'm loving what is happening already. Okay, I'm loving what is happening already. So this is okay, thank you. So guys, let's look at this point. Let's look at price from this point here. Okay, let's look at price from this point here. So guys, look carefully. This is 8 o'clock, right? This is 8 o'clock, right? Yes, this is 8 o'clock. And now, mind you, I'm talking about 8 o'clock Nigerian time. Okay, 8 o'clock what? Nigerian time. This is 8 o'clock Nigerian time. So let's scale down to lower time frame, like let's talk the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, let's scale down the 15 minutes time frame. And you can see that we are on the 15 minutes time frame. I just take this out. You can see we are on the 15 minutes time frame. I just want you guys to look at something very, very significant. Okay, I want you guys to look at something very significant. So guys, prior to the 8 o'clock, I want us to look at something very important. Okay, okay, so prior to 8 o'clock, I want to start labeling out some very important points for us right now. So this is the highest price. We can say this is the highest price level. You know, this is the highest we got price to. Or better still, we could just work with, let me work with this level here. Let me work with this level, and then let's work with this level. This is the lowest level during the Asian section, so we can map that out as Asian high and Asian low. Okay, Asian high and Asian low. And then if you're conversant with how I trade, basically I'm not looking for so much things. I'm not trying to confuse myself. Just like I told you guys, I'm always trying my very best to keep it simple. keep it very simple and easy to understand. Okay, so guys, at this point, all I am looking for in order to trade is to see the market, you know, anything that would make me want to go on a sell must be very significant, and that means that Asian high must be swept. Not just Asian high being swept, Asian low must also be swept out. Why? Let me show you guys something right now. I think I'll need a tool, so let me lock this tool. I just hope network doesn't make this thing so annoying. So let me lock this tool. So guys, this is what I'm trying to preach to you guys. So this is what I'm trying to preach to you guys. If you look at this, you see the market, let's call it probably a ranging market in Asia. You can see Asia ranging. Okay guys, can you see this? So let me put in one more leg again, Asia range, and then all of a sudden London comes out and does manipulation. Can you see this? Asia was ranging here. Can you see Asia ranging here? Very, very obvious. Okay, you can see Asia ranging here and also here, and then we saw the market do manipulation in the London section. What I need to see also before I begin to look for trade is to see that London, you know, would close below Asian low. I just need that. And then within this point, I'm going to be looking to take a trade, you know, soon. So what I'm looking for is to see the market pull in into this place and voila, short. I'm telling you the truth. This is all I want to see the market do. I'm coming here and short. So guys, looking at this right now, you discover clearly that that is exactly what is playing out here. Asian has ranged, London came, formed. All these, you know, can be classified as this, the manipulation that happened. Ranging, manipulation, took out highs, took out lows, as you can see, and then we are waiting for this to go in into a fair value gap that would be formed, and then we begin to do what? We begin to short the market, guys. So having understood that, let me take out this quickly. Having understood that, let's do this. You agree with me that we are set for something beautiful right now. So guys, having seen this, I just want to come here and highlight the fair value gap that we can see clearly that formed when the market, you know, took out Asian high and took out Asian low. And let's begin to look for our opportunities. Okay, let's begin to look for our opportunities. So let this play. Pop, 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 pop. Immediately price taps in. Okay, fine. So guys, you see price has tapped in into this level. Let's scale down to a lower time frame. So we're on the 5 minutes time frame, and as you can see carefully on the 5 minutes time frame, you can see everything just playing and aligning as it should be. Asian high, Asian low taken out. You know, we had Asian high taken out, Asian low taken out, and we had the market tapping in at this point on the 15 minutes time frame. So guys, what are we waiting for? Our entries immediately. Okay, so we're getting on the chart here. Where do we place our SL? Just a little bit above here to be very conservative. Why? Because you can see carefully that a lot of liquidity is resting up here, but then we are very certain that the market is definitely going to drop, and as you can see here, that is what is playing out right now. So I'm going to use this replay tool. Okay, so right now, where are we taking our stop loss? We're taking our stop loss inside here. I mean, sorry, I'll take profits inside here. Let me extend this up a little. So we are going to be looking for buy setups inside here, like I said, once the time comes. Okay, so guys, let's watch as this plays. Okay, so guys, looking at this, you see the market began to print carefully. Okay, printing, printing, and printing. So let's watch how this goes. Okay, and keep watching, keep watching. Can you see that massive fall, guys? Can you see that massive fall? And that was it. Okay, our TP got smashed, and we don't need to be doing any other thing again. So guys, this is how we are able to, look for high quality setups by understanding just simple things. What do we understand? Liquidity grab. What do we understand? Rebalancing of areas of inefficiencies, or rebalancing areas of imbalance. Once you have a very clear understanding about these, guys, I tell you the truth, you can step into the market, harness good trading opportunities for yourself, and you make a lot of money. So you saw how we went on a higher time frame, on the daily time frame, determined that the market was already on a buy move. You saw how we scaled down to the 1 hour time frame, and we're able to identify how far this market was going to drop, and then we also identified the fact that we were still on the premium level, and we needed to drop into the discount level to begin to look for opportunities going to the upside. So guys, this is how trading works. And already prior to that time, we identified that the market had swept liquidity here, tapped into the discount level, and has already gone up, taking out all the swing highs here, meaning that we are anticipating a fall back into this point before we start going long, guys. So we were just able to position ourselves to benefit from this, pull back here, and then waiting for the trade to happen. So guys, just putting all these little variables together, keeping it simple, understanding the power of trade, keeping trading as simple as possible, we were able to harness this trade. And I think this did up to almost a 1 to 6, guys, almost a 1 to 6. And I showed you live proof from my community on Discord. We are not capping here, guys. Look at it. This is live proof on my community on Discord that we are able to, harness that trade. So guys, you can see it clearly for yourself. You can see it boldly stated. Okay, trades were taken. I didn't just come up and stumble on it. You saw it here when the trade was called early enough, and how I entered, executed the same trade, and how we went up massively, in profits. So guys, that is it. So glad to have you guys in this community. If you enjoyed this video thus far, you were really excited about these opportunities we caught in the year 2024, and definitely you've been able to learn one or two from how I trade and how the community is also trading. Guys, I want you to go ahead and hit the like button. Hit the like button of this video. Go ahead, do it right away. Hit the like button. I want you to get excited about it, because what you're excited about, you would want to achieve it. Okay, so go ahead, hit the like button, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, because trust me, more and more amazing content like this are going to be popping up on your screen, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys how we have been able to stay consistently profitable. And lastly, I want to end up with this. Make sure you go to the description link, the description right now. There is a link in the description that gives you access to join us. Go to the description and make sure you click the link that connects you to our community on Discord. And in this community on Discord, you can benefit a lot for yourself. Trade with us as we trade, learn all it takes to be highly profitable in the market, and trust me, you're already on your way to victory, guys. So guys, that is a wrap for today's video. This is a wrap for today's video. I'll be dropping more videos as we go on, so guys, peace out. See you some other time. Make sure to stay profitable. My name is Eme Ebube, and I am a consistently profitable trader. So guys, see you later.